Okay, guys, good morning. This is to continue from our lesson, I think 12, so now is lesson 13, how to read Khmer alphabet and combine with consonant and vowel here. So here we go to the next, lesson is lesson 13. We're gonna study some of the rules in the Khmer, reading especially and writing also. You see the little dot here on the ngo here, 2 dots here on top of the ngo. So this sign is to make the O sound become the O sound in the Khmer language. As I mentioned earlier, that there are two important sounds in this language, is the first series and the second series. The first series we call O, and the second series we call O. So in a special case, for some of the letters for the O sound, we can put this little dot on top of some letters in Khmer, like I think 6 or 5 letters, to make the sound become this first series. So the second series, when you put this on the top of them, it becomes the first series, and not every letter, just only 5 or 6 letters only that you can put this little dot on top to become the first series. Okay. So this one originally is ngo, but when you put this little dot, we say somlapi, it becomes ngo. So ngo, we read ngo, ba ngo, ba ngo, ba ngo, ngo. So ngo, nga, nge, ngấy, nge, ngơ, ngốc, ngô, ngu, ngứ, nghĩa, ngứ, nghĩa, nghệ, ngại, ngảy, ngạo, ngữ, ngúm, ngúm, ngóm, nghĩa, ngu, nghĩ, ngùa. Ngai ngò, ngai ngò, và ngai ngò, chữ ngò che, dùng nga ngà, chữ ngò che, dùng nga ngà, chữ ngũ che, đa tê ta, chữ ngũ che, đa tê ta. Look at the picture here. So chữ ngũ, this little boy here, che đa tê ta, know how to walk a little bit. Teta. So teta is when you just learn something and not doing well, say teta. Okay, they put chăm nam in note. Musicaton, rư thông minh cần đol. This I talk about the little dot. Chia one yut, សម្រាប់ប្រើសម្រាប់បំបែសំឡេងព្យញ្ញពួកអឲ្យទៅជាពួកអចំពោះស្រៈអ៊ូអ៊ឺអ៊ីមិនចាំបាច់ប្រើសញ្ញា musicaton នេះទេ ព្រោះការប្រើសញ្ញានេះក៏សូរមិនដូរដែរ So that's a rule how to use this one. Okay, so let's go to the next letter is nyo, first series, but when you put this little musicaton, samlapi, it become nyo, it become all sound by nyo. So here, so nyo, nya, nhẹ, nhảy, nhự, nhứ, nhụ, nhú, nhú, nhớ, nhứ, nhía, nhẹ, nhài, nhảy, nháo, nhớ, nhóm, nhóm, nhắm, nhá, nhốt, nhé, nhỏ, nhé, nhái, nhằm, và nhái, nhằm, nhé, nhỏ, nhé, nhỏ, nhăm, nhờ, và đoạn tiết, nhé, nhỏ, nhăm, nhờ, neri, nhăm mì, neri, nhăm mì, sopi, nhé, nhỏ, bona. So look at this picture here. So Neri, Neri, this is the name of the girl. Nyammi, eating noodle. Nyam is to eat, mi is noodle. Yummy. Okay. So thank you very much, guys, for looking or being with us for about a few minutes here. I hope you will enjoy this lesson. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Hi guys, this is lesson 14. We're gonna continue again for reading the Khmer alphabet, and this is bo. It become bo. Bo, 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 pa, pe, pai, pe, pe, po, po, pu, pa, pu, pia, pe, pai, pai, pao, pau, pom, pom, pam, pa, po, pe, po, pai, pa, cha pai, bay o, hao pao, ta po, ke, cha pai. So ta po is the name of this grandfather. Ta po, ke, cha pai. So this kind of Khmer in music instrument called cha pai. And pai o here, pai o is like a flute in your country, but here in Cambodia is pai or pai o. Okay. Let's go to the mo sound. So it should be mo, but when you put this musikaton, it become mo. It become o sound, but mo. So we read it as mo. So mo, ma, me, mấy, mơ, mờ, mốc, mổ, mú, mớ, mứ, mía, mế, mái, máy, máu, mớ, mống, móm, muỗm, mía, mu, mê, mùa. Và mài, muồm, màu, mu màu, rô mê, rô mò, rô mê, rô mò, mái bồ na pa hao bảo khảo, mái bồ na pa hao bảo khảo. So here is Bona mother. My Bona, I mean Bona. Bona is a name. So my is mother. So Bona's mother, Pa Hao Pa Kao, is sewing or fixing his pocket. Pocket. Okay. Okay. Here the yo sound here. Yo is a o sound, right? Here. Yo. But when you put this little dot, it becomes yaw. Yaw. Become yaw sound. Yaw sound. So when you read it, so yaw, ya, ye, yay, ye, ye, yo, yo, you, ya, you, ye, ye, yai, yay, yao, dạo, dũng, dõm, dặm, ya, yo, ye, yo. Rô già, a dày, chay yam, nè rí ruom chay yam. So guys, look at the picture here. So this is a kind of Khmer traditional we call chay yam. We use this traditional musical instrument for the Khmer New Year's. Some believe that if you use this at home to seize all the bad spirits and bring the new luck to the family and to the people in the family. So neri rom chayam. So neri rom chay rom is to dance. Neri rom chayam. Okay. Neri rom chayam. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, guys, for your patience and follow with this lesson. Okay. So have a nice day. Bye bye.